Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the frequently asked constructions and workings of question answers in the case of physics paper for HSC examination. So this is an question bank which you can refer for your board examination. So these are some of the questions. Kindly go through the questions and please refer it to gain good marks and practice for your board examinations. So these are the questions which are based on lesson number 6, wave 7th wave optics, then magnetic field due to electric current, electromagnetic induction, semiconductor devices. So these are some of the frequently asked questions in the previous board examinations. Now we'll see some of the frequently asked experiments and diagrams. So in the case of lesson number 6, sonometer, the law of length, law of tension, law of linear density. Then in the case of wave optics, so these are some of the experiments and diagrams which are frequently asked. So just you can go through it, take a screenshot of it, and you can prepare yourself accordingly. So these are some of the frequently asked questions in the case of experiments and laws. There are some important derivations in the case of physics paper. So you can see here there are some of the derivations which are given here. So you need to prepare it accordingly. So related to rotational dynamics, you have these many derivatives. You need to prove some of the theorems which are based on parallel axis about moment in inertia. Then the theorem on perpendicular axis. So these are some of the derivatives which you have to derive. So this is just a question bank which I am sending you for the referral purpose to prepare yourself for your board examinations. So there are some frequently asked questions. You can just take a reference of this video or this question bank to prepare. All the chapters detail, or most probably all the chapters are covered in it. Electrostatics. We have current, electricity. 10th one is magnetic field due to electric current. Then we have magnetic material, electromagnetic induction, AC circuits, dual natures of radiation and matter. 5th one is atoms and nuclei. Then we have 16th one, that is semiconductor. So these are some of the laws, derivatives. Now we'll see some of the laws and important theories. So in the case of rotational dynamics, you have the conservation of angular momentum. Then in the case of mechanical properties of fluids, you have Pascal law, Laplace laws, Newton's laws. Then after that, in the case of kinetic theory, you have Prevost theory of heat exchange. Then we have Kirchhoff's law of radiation, Wend's displacement. After that, in the case of thermodynamics, we have zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, then two forms of second law of thermodynamics. Then there is oscillation, state the laws of simple pendulum, wave optics, electrostatics, Gauss theorem, Kirchhoff's law of electric circuit, Ampere's critical law. paramagnetism. So Faraday's law. So these are important laws in the case of physics paper. Now there are some important distinguish between like centripetal force and centrifugal force, streamline flow, turbulent flow, simple pendulum, conical pendulum, free vibrations, forced vibrations, progressive waves, stationary waves, harmonic and overtones, interference, diffraction, volt, electron volt, series and parallel combinations of capacitors. So these are some of the different distinguish between of each and every chapter which you need to prepare. After that we have some important characteristics and properties which may be asked in the examination. So it is regarding the centrifugal force, then explain why a road or when a road should be banked, what should be the angle of banking. After that, conservation of angular momentum, characteristic of ideal fluid, formation of concave and convex surfaces of liquid, then capillary actions, velocity of gradient in the steady flow. So these are some of the questions, or you can say a question bank, which will help you to prepare for your board examinations. Explain angular or torsional oscillations, characteristic of progressive waves, superposition of waves, stationary waves. You need to draw the diagram wherever it is required. So this is also one of the important chapter, that is wave optics, optical path length, Rayleigh criterion for minimum resolution. Then you have some questionnaires on electrostatic and current electricity. After that, some of the questions based on magnetic fields, magnetic material, electromagnetic induction, dual nature of radiations and matters, structure and atoms of nuclei, semiconductor devices. So these are different logical gates like AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR.